All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2017 Ram ProMaster. It is the 1500 with 10,000 miles, power windows, power door locks. Super nice. Best of all, minimum damage around the body. We'll go real quick, showing you stuff. 10,000 miles. Here's your front bumper. Looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. And your tire thread here is at 830 seconds. This door looks pretty decent. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's steel wheel. And your tire thread here is over 1130 seconds. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Looks good. You find the key. Boom. It does come with one key fob combo, and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Of course, you got your AM, FM stereo system. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. You got your tire pressure. I'm sorry. Your what the hell's the name of this? Cup holders. Here, this is what your instrument custom looks like. You see no lights on except for tire pressure light on, and your mileage of 10,059. Pretty much completes the tour in here. Keep it moving. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty good. These doors look pretty good. Here is one of your doors and what that looks like. Obviously that panel is messed up. The rest of the door looks pretty good. Likewise here, you got a small little cracking here. Well, other than that, the door looks good. All right. Switch your cargo area. Looks like pretty big and spacious. Looks good. Your wheel wells look good. They're not all dented up. That's good. All right. This quarter here looks good. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Your tire thread is over 1130 seconds. Sliding door looks good. Here is your trunk space and what that looks like. Your floors look pretty good. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that one. And your front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread, which is at 530 seconds it looks like. Yep, 530 seconds. The rest of this van looks good. Lights are working up top. Vehicle is on. Folks, once again, this is the 2017 Ram ProMaster 1500 with 10,000 miles. If you guys have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.